Welcome to an English subject enhancement video, this time looking at pronouns.
This video will focus on what are pronouns, subject pronouns, object pronouns, reflective pronouns, and possessive pronouns.
Pronouns are words that take the place of a noun in a sentence. Pronouns can initially be broken into three categories: first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. First person pronoun. The person or people speaking or writing are classed as first person pronouns. First person pronoun singular, we would use I or me. First person pronoun plural, we would use we or us. Second person pronoun. The person or people being spoken or written to. The second person pronoun singular would be you, and the second person pronoun plural would also be you. Third person pronoun. These are the person, people or things being spoken or written about. Third person pronoun singular, we would use she, her, he, him or it. The third person pronoun plural, we would use they, them and those. So pronouns are words that take the place of a noun in a sentence. For instance, Sarah saw James and she smiled at him. The pronouns she and him take the place of Sarah and James, respectively. Pronouns can also be categorized as subject pronouns, object pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Subject pronouns. These are used when the pronoun is the subject of the sentence. I played the piano. She played the piano. He played the piano. They played the piano. Subject pronouns are also used if they rename the subject. They will frequently follow to be verbs such as is, I, was, were, am, will be, had been, etc. For instance, it is we who are responsible for the decision to go on holiday. Object pronouns. These pronouns can be broken into two categories: direct object pronouns and indirect object pronouns. Some examples of object pronouns are the words me, him, herself, us, them, and themselves. An example of a direct object pronoun would be in the sentence, Sarah saw him. The word him is the direct object of the verb saw. An example of an indirect object pronoun would be give her the book. The direct object of the verb in this instance is the book. Therefore, her is the indirect object. Reflective pronouns. These pronouns are used when the subject of the sentence is the same as the object. For instance, Joe helped himself. Reflective pronouns end in self or selves, some examples of which are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, oneself, ourselves, and themselves. Possessive pronouns. These are pronouns that show belonging, ownership, or possession. Examples of which are yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, and whose. Please bear in mind the warning with possessive pronouns, because possessive pronouns never need an apostrophe. Thank you for listening to the English Subject Enhancement video on pronouns.